teacher is a professional who teaches in local communities that thinks and acts both locally and globally. This means that they are open-minded about different cultures, values, and traditions, and they consider both local and global scenarios, international developments, and 21st century skills in their teaching. They aim to equip learners with the necessary skills to survive and be useful citizens by understanding their roots, the skills they possess and must possess, and being globally competent without forgetting the essence of becoming a person. On the other hand, a local teacher is a professional who remains to teach in the community until retirement, often without considering global standards or developments. They may focus on teacher-led activities, isolated subjects, and traditional teaching methods, rather than collaboration, flexible groupings, and the use of technology. They may not be exposed to diverse cultures, values, and traditions, and may not be aware of the importance of global competence and 21st century skills in their teaching. In China, teaching can be demanding due to large class sizes and emphasis on exam preparation. However, there's growing respect for educators, and teaching English as a foreign language can offer good opportunities. In Japan, teaching is highly respected, but the work culture can be rigorous with long hours and administrative duties. Teachers in Japan not only focus on academic subjects but also on instilling values such as responsibility and teamwork. In the USA, teaching offers flexibility and creativity in lesson planning, but teachers may face challenges such as budget constraints, standardized testing pressure, and varying levels of support. However, there are opportunities for professional development and advancement.